Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coded So in this class I will tell you how to build a text to speech converter in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and that video is very beautiful and you will enjoy this video, and please like this video and share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So I will be not take a long time, and I will be see what we are building. I will be give you a preview. So now let's start. So in this class we are building the text to speech converter in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That beautiful text to speech converter, and you can write here your name, write Rayan Beg, convert to speech, and here you can see he will be top Rayan Beg, and here you can say my name is, here we can write my name is text to speech. What is your name? And now.
My name is text to speech. What is your name?
And here you can see it is coming like that. You can write anything. It will be speech. Like you can write many alphabets like copy paste. And here is unlimited space. You can write. And here you can see it. Paste. And here you can see it. Then text.
My name is text to speech. What is your name? My name is text to speech. What is your name?
He will be continue. Okay. So here you can see we're building that easily as a text to speech converter in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and please follow on my Instagram. My Instagram is crc and #1245. Okay, please go and check it, and please and the all channels like RB Graphic Code Wise with RB and Program and Code with PK, all updates are coming on my Instagram. Okay, so now let's go to, and I will not take a long time, so let's start the video. So I will tell you we will be building a text to speech converter in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So now let's start the video. So first of all, I will be go to the open with and choose another, and I will be see the review what we are building in my intro. Okay, so now I will be Sublime text editor. We can open it, erase and save it. And first of all, you can save it, then you can erase it, then you can here, and then you can open with style.css. So I will be drag this file from here, and now here first of all I will be erase this start not. I will be erase the starting code, only erase that save, and we will be the JavaScript code are also included in this class. So we will be choose another app, and here we can go. And here we can open with Sublime text editor and erase the JavaScript code with also. And now then it's still done, so I will be open like that. And now then I will be open, so building there. Okay, so then it will be open, so I will go here, and first of all you can write here HTML, and the title should be text to speech converter. Okay, and now you can will be link. Okay, so you will link style.css, and now I will be go to the here, and I will be erase this file, and I will be enter press and div, and class should be container, enter, and now here I will be give header should be text to in not in capital speech converter. Okay, and now here we can till my work is done. So now here we can write text area, and now text area should be placeholder, and the placeholder should be enter text. Okay, enter text, and now here we can go, and here we can write button should be convert to speech. Then I will be save, refresh. So till here my work is done. Here you can see it, and now I will be go to the here, enter script, and I will be sharing. I will be not type sharing. So be script.js, and here we can write differ. And now first of all I will write CSS code, then we can write a JavaScript code. So first of all we can write CSS code. So first of all you can write here body, and the body should be height. Body should be height should be 100 ps. Display should be you can flex. Align item center, and the justify content should be also center, and the background you can give a like it is your answer what your background give. I will be hashtag A7A5F8, and now here we can write dot container position relative max width, and the width should be 350 pixels. I will be give, and the width should be I will give my width 100%, and the background I will be give hashtag FFF, and the border radius should be 12 pixels, and the padding should be 20 pixels. Then enter, and then till here my work is done. So I will be give the box shadow 0 5 pixels should be 10 pixels, and ragba should be there 0, and here we can have 0.1. Header, and the header should be font size, and the font size should be 18 pixels. Enter colors hashtag 333. It is your answer what you can color will be give. Okay, and the font weight I will be give 500, and text align should be center. Enter text area should be width 100%, height should be all 180%, 180 pixels, and that border radius should be I will be give 8 pixels, and margin 20 pixels 0, padding 10 pixels 15 pixels. Enter the size should be none, outline should be also none, border should be 1 pixel, solid should be AAA, and the enter the button width should be 100%, padding should be 14 pixels 0, border should be none, and the till will be done. So I will be give the border radius should be 8 pixels. Color your answer what you can give. I will be give FF light white, and your background is also your answer what you can give. I will be give the hashtag 6E93F7. Enter, and the cursor should be pointer, and here I will be write the transition should be all 0.3 seconds easy, and here we can write button hover, background should be hashtag 4070F4. Save, refresh. So till here my work is done, but the text to speech converter is not coming like that. So I will be give a script.js. Till here my work is done, CSS work is done, but the JavaScript not work done. So I will be like const text area, and here we can write document point query selector, and here we can write the text area, and here we can write like that const button, and here we can write the button. Here we can write document dot query selector, and the selector, and here we can write the here should be button. So till here my work is done. Then I will be go, and here we can write let is speaking, and here we can write the 2, and here we can write like that. Enter const, and here we can write text to speech, and here we can write like that text to speech, and here we can write like that, and that, and here we can write like that, and here we can write like const, and the const should be my const should be scient, and here we can write the window should be dot speech SYNTEESIS size, and now enter const, and here we can write text, and here we can write text area dot value, and now that, and now till here my work is done. So here we can enter if, here we can write like that scient, on dot speaking, and here we can write like that end. Okay, and text, and here we can write like another that, and here we can write like so here we can write the const should be attorneys should be new, should be speech should be that, and here we can write sentences, and here we can write other ends, and here we can write like text, and here we can write giant should be dot speak and other nest, and now here we can press enter if text dot length, and here we can write 50, and here we can write if Cyant dot speaking thing, and here we can write like that and here we can write is speaking, and here we can press button dot inner text, and here we can write like that, and here we can write pause, and here we can write Cyant on dot resume, and here we can write like that, and here we can write like that. And now so now here we can write is speaking, so that is false, and here we can write like enter press here we can go, and here we can write else, and here we can enter press the button dot inner should be text should be resume, and here we can write like that, and here we can write Cyant should be dot pause, and here we can write like that, then that enter is speaking should be true true, and now my work is done. So now here we can write like that, and here we can write like that, and now here we can write else should be speaking should be false, and that, and now here we can write button dot inner text should be speaking, and now here we can write like set interval, and here we can write like that, then erase one, then space, then not space, then here, and now here we can write like that, and that, and here we can write like that, and here we can write if Cyant dot speaking, and here we can write and then I is speaking, so here we can write like I is speaking should be true, should be that, button dot inner text should be convert should be convert to speech, and now here we can write like that, and here we can go to the here, and now here we can write that like that, and now then that, and now here we can write like button, and the all work is done, but only write that button event should be listener, and should be click comma text to speech, and now work is done. So now save. So it is not coming like that. Here I will write Rayan and the convert to speech. It is not coming because here I will be write the comma. So you can write dot, refresh, and then you can write here Rayan bake, then convert
Rayan
to
bake.
speech. Here you can see it is coming like that, and you can write like like, oh, here we can write like, hi, my name is Mirza Ryan and big now I am 12 years old. I like graphic designing and programming, and I am building a text to speech converter, and I will be copy it, then paste, and now.
My name is Mirza Rayyan Beg. I am 12 years old. I like graphic designing and programming, and I am building a text-to-speech converter. My name is Mirza Rayyan Beg. I am 12 years old. I like graphic designing and
he will be starting a talking
programming, and I am building a text-to-speech converter. My name is Mirza Rayyan Beg.
Here you can see it. I will leave it for you, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in the next class for today. Goodbye.